rather the inner mitochondrial membrane remain invaginated. The inner mitochondrial membrane invaginates, or you can say that the inner mitochondrial membrane undergo inward folding to form finger-like projection, and that finger-like projections are known as the cristae. Mitochondria, you have studied the cristae.
Yes.
Cristae are the finger-like projection formed by the inward folding of the inner membrane of the inner mitochondrial membrane. Am I clear? Cristae. Cristae is a finger-like projection formed by the inward folding of the inner membrane of the mitochondria. And you know that this cristae, the cristae have number of pinhead-like structure, and that pinhead-like structures are known as the oxysomes or F1 particle. Oxysome or F1 particle, and it is the site. Silpa, it is the oxysome, and or which is also known as the F1 particle, which is the site of the ATP synthesis. The ATP synthesis, adenosine triphosphate, which is the biological energy, is synthesized at this site which I am talking about, which is the oxysome and the F1 particle. So this mitochondria has a very important structure where the enzymes are located and where the synthesis of the adenosine triphosphate takes place. So the outer membrane of the mitochondria is smooth. The inner membrane undergoes infolding to form finger-like projection, and that projections are known as the cristae, and cristae have the oxysomes or F1 particles, you know.
Yes.
And the space between the outer and inner mitochondrial membranes is known as the perimitochondrial space. As you have studied that the space between the outer and inner chloroplast membrane is known as the periplastidial space. Similarly, in case of mitochondrion, the space present between outer and inner mitochondrial membranes is known as the perimitochondrial space. In case of chloroplast, you know that both the outer and inner membranes are smooth, but in case of mitochondria, the inner membrane is not smooth. Rather, it forms a inward projections, which are known as the cristae, having the F1 particles or the oxysome. So this is the structure of the cristae. Beside this, the just below the inner mitochondrial membrane, the matrix is present. The liquid is present, and the matrix enclosed by the inner membrane of the mitochondria is known as the mitochondrial matrix. And the inside the mitochondrial matrix, there is presence of ribosomes. There is presence of, you know, that mitochondria are semi-autonomous cell organelle, and they have their own genetic system like the chloroplast for the protein synthesis. Similarly, mitochondrial matrix have a number of ribosomes, and the ribosomes found in the mitochondria are of 70S type, consisting of a smaller subunit 30S and the larger subunit 50S type. When these two subunits are separate, 30S and 50S, and when these two units are connected together, joined together, the size of the ribosomes becomes 70S type. 70S type. So there is a number of ribosomes required for the protein synthesis in the mitochondria, and not only this, there are about 30 to 40 types of tRNAs, transfer RNAs are also found in the mitochondrial matrix. And in addition to this structure, there is presence of a large number of amino acid molecules. 20 essential amino acids are present. And the very important point is that the mitochondria have their own DNA, and the mitochondrial DNA is double stranded. The mitochondrial DNA is double stranded and circular. Mitochondrial DNA, just like chloroplast DNA, mitochondrial genome consists of double-stranded circular DNA, and there are a number of genes present on the important genes which are present on the mitochondrial genome. You know that the mitochondrial DNA has the capacity to replicate itself. It undergoes the replication, and it has a number of important genes which encode some important protein which are found in the mitochondria. So the number of mitochondrial genome or mitochondrial DNA is also variable. Its number varies from 1 to 14. 1 से 13 14 तक रहता है ये, ठीक है. तो ये माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल. अच्छा, द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट हियर इज दैट द माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल the mitochondrial DNA or genome which is present in the matrix of the mitochondria remains in physical contact with the inner membrane of the mitochondria, and this physical contact is required for the replication of the mitochondrial DNA. So these are the this is the structure of the mitochondria. In the next lecture, Silpa, we will be studying the function of mitochondria. I am going to show you the whiteboard on which the structure has been shown. At first, look at the whiteboard. Silpa, hello?
Yes, sir.
I think that this whiteboard is visible to you. I have written the important points on this whiteboard. Mitochondria and mitochondria. Follicle discovered mitochondria, 1806. Penda coined the term mitochondria. Now this F may be reported mitochondria in the cell. Mitochondria double membrane found cell organelles found in the eukaryotic cell. They are semi-autonomous cell organelles of having their own genetic system and protein synthesizing machinery. They are also known as powerhouse of the cell. ATP formation takes place in the mitochondrion. This is the structure of my simple structure of mitochondrion. This is the OM stand for outer membrane, IM stand for the inner membrane, and this outer membrane is smooth. The inner membrane undergoes infolding to form the finger-like projection, and this finger-like projection is known as cristae. This finger-like structure is known as cristae. The ribosomes are present here, which are and this is the matrix, and the presence of this double-stranded circular DNA has been shown here in the reading. And look here, this double-stranded circular DNA remains in contact with the inner membrane. It may be connected, it may remain in contact with the at the point of the inner membrane, or it may remain in contact with the physical contact with the cristae. So this is the simple structure of the mitochondria. And look at this point. This is the diagram of one crest. This is the outer membrane, inner membrane, finger-like projection, and from this at the point of cristae, there is presence of F1 particle and oxygome. This is a pinhead-like structure where the ATP synthesis takes place. So this is all about the structure of chloroplast. In the next lecture, we will study the function of. In the next lecture, we will study the mitochondrial genome. At first, we will study the mitochondrial genome in detail, and mitochondrial genome and the function of mitochondria. And in the next lecture on Saturday, Pooja, राधा, पूजा, सुधा एंड शिल्पा और जो लोग व्हाट्सएप में अटेंडेंस बनाए हैं, आप याद रखिए 10 या 15 मल्टीपल चॉइस का टेस्ट होगा सैटरडे के दिन। 12:15 में हम लेंगे, 12:10 में लेंगे टेस्ट। आप रेडी रहें। और चैप्टर भी बता दिया क्या क्या पढ़ना है। क्रोमोजोम पढ़ना है, तीनों स्पेशल क्रोमोजोम पढ़ के रेडी रहना है, सेल मेम्ब्रेन पढ़ना है, उसके बाद क्या क्लोरोप्लास्ट, इतना का टेस्ट हो। ठीक है, चलो हम नोट अपलोड कर देते हैं।
जी सर, थैंक यू सर।